Hey guys, Survival Joe here. Had a lot of questions about my pack that several of you probably seen before and what I have in it. And in this video I'm going to be going over what I have in it, what I plan to do to it, because it's not completely done yet, and I have more in there I should have, just because I'm not lugging it around. If I was lugging it around, I'd probably take a lot of it out. But we'll start on the outside. I have a schmog here. These things are great. Just today, me and my wife went on the walk, and rather than carry a canteen around and a water bottle or two for the dogs, I just rolled it up in here, tied it around my waist like a fanny pack, and that way I was able to carry all of it without taking my pack. And I was hands-free. Yeah, so this works out pretty well then. Yeah, this guy is my old one. I have another one in there, which is what we'll do next. Water. I don't leave this filled unless I go on a hike or something. Have this guy. And also this guy. A little bit bigger, haven't used it yet. A lot lighter actually too. Yeah, great, easy storage too. Great system right there. And got nothing else in there, and then in here I usually have bars and stuff like that, but I got my titanium spoon, fork, some hot chocolate, some tea, and I usually have some candy bars in here or something, and my water tablets, just in case I can't burn or anything like that and boil it. But yeah, there's a lot. I plan on putting more food in there. And on the other side is my first aid kit. Tears off. Yeah, this thing's pretty nice. Have quite a lot in here. Yeah, my Vaseline's falling out. Yeah, I'll probably go over this in a separate video. Yeah, and there's stuff I still could add to this that I want in here. And I need to get another one. I built this myself. I got a small kit and just kept adding to it. Actually, what it came in is in there. Yeah, and I just have one of these stupid survival bracelets. No kit in it, it's just a paracord. You're probably wondering what this guy is. Take that out now, but I will show you what that is in a minute. Alright. Then outside I have a knife there, 2 spare mags to my handgun on the outside right there. So I usually have 4 with me, 2 on me and 2 there. Allergy medicine and other medications you should always have with you. Spare inhalers and everything. A good flashlight. A handkerchief. Oh, there's some allergy medicine. Lots of allergy medicine actually. Zip ties, great thing to have. Never know what you need them for. Even act as cordage. And I have a lighter in here. I have probably lighters all over the place in here. Oh yeah. Spare batteries for my flashlight. You can see that I've been in there for a while. I should probably circulate them. And where's it tied? The top one, some fat wood I got from one of the guys over at Black Swan Tactical. I do videos with them also. Cheap Amazon-y compass, but it still tells you where north is. Yeah, you should really know how to use one of these too. It's very useful. My fire steels, it's a magnesium bar. I get these from firesteel.com. Great, great, great. I don't trust just any magnesium bar. A lot of them are fake. You can almost tell. I have one over there out of reach that I don't think is really pure magnesium. That won't light up as well. Yeah. I just got another lighter, cloth, another lighter, more ferro rods. I'm making kits. I keep forgetting to take them out of my pack and leave them at the shop. I'm gonna be making knives with rods. This thing's great to have. It's a tick puller. Pretty cheap on Amazon. More knives, more rods. Knife sharpener. Alright, now let's go. I'm actually going to put this down here. This is what I got the original first aid kit in, but I'm going to use it probably to store other things in and put it in the bag. A shovel. It's actually a gardening shovel. It's actually got some pretty... That will cut you open. Right there. This thing is very useful. It's not a very long one, but it'll get the job done. Easy packing it in. Alright, now this guy, this is where this guy comes in. It's a tomahawk. Cocobolo handle. I made it. My buddy made the sheath. It's getting beat up from being in my pack, but I don't care. It's pretty solid wood. Stuff's waterproof basically because it's so naturally oily. I want to get the one with the hammer on the back. Just haven't gotten to it yet. Lots of paracord. Cheap binoculars. Nothing spectacular, just enough to see off a bit. Duct tape. Hope you guys know what these are. Emergency blankets. This thing's definitely worth the investment. Not that much money, but it's a sharpener. Actually, one of the sides fell off. It's magnetic. Flip it over and you have diamond sharpening. You got your ceramic, and you can different coarsenesses. And for your serrated edges, and then your other strop works pretty good. Sharpen a lot with it actually. Let's see what else. Yeah, another hatchet. Made the handle on it with a sheath. Works pretty good. I was abusing it the other week. Took the abuse, no chips or anything out of the edge either. And then just a carving knife for when I want to whittle. That was all in the first pouch. Now the main pouch. You're going to be happy to have these when you have to take a dump. Good to have. Just even for simple hygiene. A basic dust mask. Toothpicks, these also could start for some kindling. Definitely worth the investment. Life straws. This guy's awesome. It's a stove that gets... I'm actually going to do a review on this separate. The emberlite stove collapses flat. I also have a bunch of aluminum foil folded up. It's always good for many different reasons. So I usually just keep it in one of my cook kits. Lidoderm patches. Cheap, crappy ponchos you could get at Walmart for cheap. This thing's gonna be a good tool to have for making shelters, doing notches. It's a 4-in-1 file. Great to have. I have 2 of them in my shop. I actually use constantly. Another pack. It's got a pencil sharpener to make kindling, good fire starting, sharpen twigs and stuff. I made these guys, egg carton, sawdust, and paraffin wax. It's kind of my fire starting kit. Cotton balls with a ferro rod, and I think there's a striker in there somewhere. More fat wood. And another shovel that folds down. Yeah. Gloves. Great for chopping up wooden stuff. Won't bust up a knuckle or anything. More duct tape with one of those snap it cooling towels and another lighter inside. This thing's awesome because it's got 37 different bit types in there. It's almost like MacGyver's screw set. That I'm going to pull up. It's right here. These are the cords for this. It's a radio, it's a flashlight, solar powered or hand cranked. Huh, the radio's on. Good thing it's a hand crank. Yeah. The battery's probably dead. But I could always leave that out in the sun and let it charge up. Always good to have. And this has all the cords. It even's got cell phone adapters where you could charge your phone on it too. Android. I don't think the newer iPhones, but the older iPhones. Then I have a change of a shirt, boxers, and socks. Always a good thing to have. And there's the finer diamond plate to my sharpening tool. Oh, I always have Leathermans. This one's in the bag. I lost my sidekick. I'm a little upset about that. gloves, and there's some in my medical kit. And then heavy mill garbage bags. And a tube tent. Yeah. I don't think it's all too heavy, but traveling long distances, it could get a little cumbersome. And I keep this guy in it when I don't have it on me, because I usually just put it on when I'm hiking. It's the one with the built-in ferro rod. I think it's a Light My Fire rod. They're kind of decent. I like the firesteel.com ones a lot better. But yeah, that's everything I have in there. Plan on putting more in. I need to do more food, a little bit more clothing. Like, why do I need 2 rolls of duct tape? I don't know. Yeah. But yeah, a lot of this is pretty good stuff to have. And I always have this in my truck or somewhere close to me, along with what I normally carry every day, but I'll do that in a different video. This is already running close to 17 minutes. So, I'll see you next time. Hopefully I can upload this soon. I'm uploading on for my woodworking channel and it's taking forever. My internet here sucks, so I might have to wait till Monday or tomorrow. Alright, signing out.